Good morning, students. This is your SST chapter number 1, Our Country, India. As you can see, here are two columns in the starting. First one is take off. It is your prior knowledge. Prior knowledge means कि आप पहले से कितना जानते हैं. This is the first chapter, so we will start from here, from Phillips. All, do you know the capital of India? The capital of India is Delhi. Okay. And the next one is the southern part of India is a peninsula. Okay, now come to this one. Warm up. Find India on the map. As you can see in this map, these are the continents. And as you know, there are 7 continents and 5 oceans of the world. Okay. So as you can see here, we can say India lies in the continent of Asia. इंडिया कहाँ पर है? एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट में. So now we will start the chapter. India is the 7th largest country in the world and 3rd largest country in the whole Asia. Okay, and first और second number पर आते हैं रशिया एंड चाइना. इसके बाद अगर हम बात करें साउदर्न टिप ऑफ एशिया, इंडिया इज़ लोकेटेड एट द साउदर्न टिप ऑफ एशिया, जो कि हमने डिस्कस किया था अभी यहाँ पर. और अब हम बात करेंगे कि जो ओशियंस हैं इंडिया के, इंडिया इज सराउंडेड बाय बे ऑफ बंगाल ऑन द ईस्ट, द अरेबियन सी ऑन द वेस्ट and the Indian Ocean on the south. Here we are talking about the directions. So here I will make the directions and we will discuss directions and sub-directions. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. Okay, now we will talk about the sub directions also. This is northeast, this is northwest, this is southeast, and this is southwest. Okay, these are the sub directions. Now after that we will talk about the neighboring countries of India. As you can see here also, here is written all the neighboring countries. They are Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Maldives, China, and Myanmar. Myanmar, we also called Myanmar is Burma. And these two neighbors are also called sea neighbors. And neighbors means, neighbor का क्या मतलब होता है? जो हमारे साथ इंडिया के साथ बॉर्डर शेयर करते हैं वो होती हैं नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़. ओके, नाउ हम लोगों ने जैसा कि यहाँ पे डायरेक्शंस एंड सब डायरेक्शंस ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किए हैं. नाउ वी विल सी ऑल द नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ ऑन दिस political map. As we can see here, in the northwest of India, Pakistan and Afghanistan lie, and Sri Lanka and Maldives lie to the south. After that, we will see Myanmar and Bangladesh lie to its east, and China, as you can see here, Nepal and Bhutan lie to its northeast. It means northeast. Now we will come to the next topic that is political divisions of India. India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. इंडिया को 28 स्टेट्स और 9 यूनियन टेरिटरीज में डिवाइड किया गया है, लेकिन पहले 29 स्टेट्स और 7 यूनियन टेरिटरीज थी, जो कि अगस्त 2019 में जम्मू एंड कश्मीर जो स्टेट है उसको यूनियन टेरिटरी में चेंज किया गया है. तो अब हमारी 28 स्टेट्स एंड 9 यूनियन टेरिटरीज हैं. Now we will talk about government of India. As here state government and central government in India. So what is the difference between state and union territory? State क्या होती है और union territory क्या होती है? States are having their own government. इनकी खुद की गवर्नमेंट होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उत्तर प्रदेश. और यूनियन टेरिटरी क्या होती है? यूनियन टेरिटरी आर डायरेक्टली अंडर द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के अंडर आती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लक्षद्वीप. एंड दीज आर द 28 states and 9 union territories with their capitals. First of all, we will discuss the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Here is written Hyderabad, but now capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amravati. And the next topic is physical divisions of India. It means different landforms of India. India has 6 physical divisions. They are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains, and the island. Here you can see through the map also. This is the northern mountain area. This is northern plains. This is Great Indian Desert. This part comes under southern plateau, and here are both sides. This is the coastal plain area. This is western coastal plain, and this is eastern coastal plain area. That's all for today. So be at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.